As you can see, we got a little bit of snow going on here. That's up against... I don't have a yardstick available right now. We got a couple of inches. They're calling this the Great Snowstorm on the East Coast. It's deep. It's been a long time since I've had a post hole in the snow. Wow. I'm all bundled up. Pretty warm. It's a little windy out here. Susan and I took the flags down because we couldn't get the flagpole to collapse. It's like frozen. It's a telescoping flagpole and it wouldn't collapse yesterday. But we got the flags in, so. There's our generator on standby. Already op checked it. Everything's working there.